Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start the presentation, allow me to say my deepest thank you to both my supervisor, the first my supervisor, Prof. Madia Dr. Muhammad Norman Masred, and the second CO supervisor, Dr. Halidayu, and then honorable examiners today. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Nining Sudiar from Information Management Program. Without further ado, I would like to present my defense research proposal with entitled Emotional Intelligence and Self-Leadership Study Among Indonesian Librarians. EL has a major effect in the relationship between humans, and as Gardner stated in his book Frames of Mind, 1983. To achieve success is not only rely on IQ, but there was a wider intelligence spectrum called emotional intelligence. By having good emotional skill, people will know how to handle their own feelings well, able to read and face the feelings of others effectively, and also have to advance to every field of life, including in the world of work. People with good emotional intelligence are still more reliable than the person who is high IQ. The outline of my presentation consists of two sections. Section 1 have 7 points, and then section 2 4 points. Emotional intelligence is very crucial on one's leadership, because effective leadership is one that has 4 elements of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, or EI, has been an important and controversial topic during the last few decades. Its significance and its correlation with many domains of life has made it the subject of expert study. Emotional intelligence is the radar for feeling, thinking, learning, problem solving, and decision making. Emotional intelligence is also leadership paradigm that also developed in the library and information science fields. Hence, this refers to librarian as a library manager. Librarians are the main element of the implementation of all activity in the library. So librarian must to be able to measure again how big the role in how big the role is in retrospect and repositioning from time to time. Based on the result of interview with several librarian visitor in Riau province related to the emotion of a librarian in interacting with the visitor, librarian considered unfriendly fears and never smile. The impact of this attitude clearly illustrate the librarian have not been able to manage emotion properly and it give a negative image and poor performance. Conversely, if the librarian can behave properly, it will provide a positive image and good performance as well. According Mary and Salve, they stated if a librarian is equipped with good emotional intelligence, it will provide a good impetus to address the work she or he is facing and will improve performance that also increase the performance of the librarian. That's why the study research I'm doing in Indonesian study among librarian in Indonesia. Next slide, this slide about explain about literature review and issue discussed. In this literature review, I have found some related studies about emotional intelligence and self-leadership. Some of them are Gardner, Houghton, Downer, M. Afzalur Rahim, M. Silogin, Grace, Clark, Furtner, Anas, Falazde, Gadi, Masrek, Houghton, Sani, Gomez, and etc. And the next slide about the problem definition. The problem definition, the first one, the most librarian inability to manage emotional intelligence, and then the absence of good self-leadership librarian in Indonesia. The last, the absence of emotional intelligence research related affect librarian self-leadership Indonesia. In Indonesia. The next slide about the purpose of study. In this purpose of study, of course, based on the academic study above, the research needs to be done by measuring the level of emotional intelligence and self-leadership librarian in Indonesia to provide a complete picture of how emotional intelligence and self-leadership are honored by librarian. The next objective of the study, the first was what is the librarian rating of their emotional intelligence and self-leadership, and the second, does emotional intelligence significantly influence self-leadership of Indonesian librarian? Research question, my research question, the first one, what is the librarian rating of their emotional intelligence and self-leadership, and does emotional intelligence significantly influence self-leadership of Indonesian librarians? This slide about this slide context and scope of study. In Indonesia, we have total area 1,905 kilometer with total province 34, and we have type of libraries 11. The population librarian is 12,710 librarians. Next slide is about significance of study. The first one, the body of knowledge or literature. Add more literature by publishing the value, contribution, and importance of emotional intelligence and self-leadership. And the second, practical contribution of good for academic and researcher. And policy maker or government contribution. The description of emotional intelligence and self-leadership is reference for the Indonesian government and the related institution in making policy that regulate the need for emotional intelligence and self-leadership. Beside that, there is a model in the form of continuous training to create emotional intelligence and self-leadership for a librarian. And then next slide, this one research framework. We see self emotional intelligence have self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship management, and then self-leadership, behavior awareness, task motivation, and constructive cognition. Next slide is a discussion of the framework. You can see together here. And then next about research methodology. I'm using quantitative method and using questionnaire and sample of respondent, random sampling. And next slide is research design. In research design have purpose of research, type of investigation, unit of analysis, sampling, time horizon, study setting, and then an instrument for data collection. And this one about population and sampling. Population here Indonesian librarian 12,710 with sample. I get the sample from Rausoft by online 373. The next is my reference. And that's all my for presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.